Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel The Taste of India. Now let's move for our new recipe, that is coconut besan laddu. So let's discuss the ingredients we need. Ghee half cup, powdered sugar 1 cup, besan 1 cup, coconut powder 1 cup. Now let's discuss the method. To make coconut besan laddu, very firstly, put on the flame and keep it on medium-low flame. Add half cup ghee to a heavy bottom pan. Then after, add the measured besan. Mix both of them well, keep stirring and begin to fry on a medium-low heat. You may see a small lumps of ghee and besan. Just ignore them. Keep stirring constantly for even roasting and to prevent burning. After 5 minutes of roasting, the color of the besan begins to change to a slightly deeper color with a slight aroma. Now it's almost done. Quickly add the coconut powder and keep stirring to incorporate well. Then after, add powdered sugar and mix it well. Turn off the flame and place the mixture in a plate. Now, time to give it shape of laddu. First, put on some ghee or oil in your palm, then start making small balls and coat it with coconut powder. Make all the laddus like this and it's done. Our laddus are ready to eat. Thanks for watching.